Hello and welcome to the Diabolo Academy. Today we're going to look at the sun, which is a fairly easy beginner's trick. It's also fairly easy to get into a knot if you don't unwind it as well. So let's have a look in a bit more detail. Start on your left, bring both sticks together, then pull the Diabolo around, pointing at the centre of the Diabolo as you go. When you get back to the starting position, make sure you unwind it before you carry on playing the Diabolo. It's also possible to do this trick twice over, a double sun, but just make sure if you do that, you also unwind the Diabolo twice around so that you don't end up with a knot. Lastly, once you've mastered that trick, you can have a go at this example, which is where one swings it around in an orbit in front of you and behind. And the advantage of this is you do not have to unwind it at the end. As you start this trick, point both sticks towards the centre of the Diabolo, then give it a bit of a swing to get it started. As it goes up in the air, step forwards and allow the sticks to go behind you, still pointing to the centre of the Diabolo. Then bring them up and around on your right hand side. As it comes over your head, make sure you step backwards again. By stepping forwards and backwards, you can keep the Diabolo's orbit in the same place whilst it's you that moves rather than the Diabolo.